Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are you? Are you ready for the lesson? So let's start our lesson. Unit 1, Science and Scientific Phenomena. Today is our theme, Famous Scientists. Learning objectives. Understand the main points in unsupported extent and talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a limited range of unfamiliar topics. Understand main points in extended text on a wide range of familiar and some general and curricular topics. Phonetic exercise. Please repeat after me. E. Lead, read, meet. A. Break, mate, plane. F. Physics, founded, flowers. I. Life, while, child. Let's introduce with new vocabulary. Please repeat after me. 1. To discover. 2. Founder. 3. Scientists. 4. Matter. 5. Science. 6. To establish. 7. Inventor. 8. Achievement. 9. Innovator. Exercise 1A. Complete the description 1-5 with invented, founded, developed, argued, discovered. Please answer the questions. What world-famous scientist do you know? What is your favorite scientist? Is it important to create new ideas and inventions? What do you think about such people? There are a large number of famous scientists in history. If a roster of all such scientists were to be compiled, the list would be never-ending. Hence, a finite number has been taken into consideration here. These great individuals were masters in their respective fields, and with their amazing work, changed the course of history and the way things were done. We'll have a look at the top scientists the world has ever seen. Exercise 1B. Match the scientists AE to their achievements 1-5 in exercise 1A. Next task, exercise 2. Which famous scientist is related to physics, astronomy, biology, computer science, and chemistry?
Step 2, номер 60. Listen to the 3 texts about world-famous scientists and do the task from your textbook.
1. Nicholas Copernicus is a world-famous Polish astronomer. He was born on the 19th of February in 1473 in Poland, in a fairly big family. Nicholas had a brother and 2 sisters. In 1491, he went to Krakow University, where he studied mathematics, medicine, religion. His favorite subject was astronomy. In 1497, Copernicus went to Italy and spent several years there, trying to get a better education. In 1503, he left university, got his diploma, and began working as a doctor. But he devoted a lot of time to scientific studies and wrote a book about a new model of the world whose center is the sun but not the earth.
2. Charles Robert Darwin was born on the 12th of February 1809. He was a great English naturalist and a well-known traveller. He was the first scientist to show evolution among animals. He developed a theory that explained how people appeared on our planet. Darwin was very much interested in nature and studied different plants and animals during his long journeys and voyages. He made a lot of discoveries. The results of his work were shown in his book. His theory was supported by many scientists. Darwin died on the 19th of April 1882 and was buried in Westminster Abbey in London.
3. Konstantin Eduardovich Tsiolkovsky, a great Russian scientist, was born in the city of Izhevsk in 1857. When he was 9, the boy fell ill, and as a result he was not able to hear well during his life. 4 years later his mother died. The boy had to study himself at home. His only friends were books. At the age of 16, he was sent to Moscow, where he studied chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy. Life in the capital of Russia was rather expensive, and in 1876 he left Moscow for Vyatka. Tsiolkovsky began his career as a school teacher, but he was very much interested in astronomy and space. In 1892, he moved to Kaluga, where he lived with his family and began his scientific experiments. He was the first to create a model of a rocket that was able to fly to space.
Quiz. The first question. Who was the British scientist who laid the foundations of the theory of evolution and transformed the way we think about the natural world? The second question. Who developed the periodic table in 1869? The third question. Who said doubt is the father of invention? Your homework will be: open your workbook on page 4, exercise 1 and 6. So, the lesson is over. Thank you very much. Goodbye.